Surprisingly enough, the year is still 1993. However, it's July 1993, and Microsoft has released its new line of operating systems, Windows NT. It started out with Windows NT 3.1. The reason why they call it 3.1 is because, well, it kind of made sense because at the time they had, regular Windows 3.1. Now, on the outside, once they get it running, it looks exactly like Windows 3.1. Now, obviously, under the hood, though, there was a lot of major features such as networking, permissions, basically all the modern stuff you would see on a modern Windows machine, like permissions with networking, file sharing, all of this good stuff, and also the introduction to the new NTFS file system, otherwise known as the New Technology file system, which is why they call it NT, New Technology. So anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the demonstration. Now, this is going to be quite difficult actually, because for some reason Windows NT, it has a thing called CPU ID. Now, CPU ID basically means it detects what kind of processor your computer has. Now, at the time, at the time, Pentium was releasing a new, Intel was releasing a new Pentium processor, which was labeled as a 586, and for some reason, Windows NT can only run on a 486, I believe. So what I have to do is I have to go into the info or whatever text document and edit it halfway through. I'm gonna see if I can install it without any changes. If not, prepare for a ride of your life, because this is gonna be one hell of a trip. Now, I have got it working before, but when I got it working, it had no display drivers, so basically it was 16-bit color, and no sound drivers, so it was no without sound. I'm hoping to get the sound to work, at least to get the sound to work, but display drivers might not be work. Now, once I'm past that, 3.5 will be a breeze. 3.51 will be a breeze, but 3.1 is going to be quite a trip. Now, this video right here you're watching is from the Computer Chronicles. I've showed these guys before. They're a really great series from like the late 80s to the early 90s and 2000s. This is their special about Windows NT 3.1 and showing you the differences between 3.1 and NT 3.1. Now, this video does a really good job in showing what it can be capable of doing. This operating system. Now, granted, compared to today's OSs, this thing is old as hell. I mean, it was back in 1993, so of course it is. But this stuff could do a lot of really great stuff that 3.1 couldn't do. So, without further ado, I'm going to try to attempt to install Windows NT 3.1 and hopefully Windows NT Advanced Server, which is a step up from the standard NT. So anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get right into this fantastic video. Okay, third try. I know this is actually the first video you're seeing, but this is my third try getting this work. So it's been a while since I've installed Windows NT. I had to reformat the hard drive and get rid of DOS completely because apparently I couldn't install it from the CD-ROM and I couldn't install it from floppies on DOS or even with the Windows 95 boot up disk. So there's no operating system previously installed on this machine. It's been all reformatted and everything. So this is a fresh install, and I'm hoping to get this all to work. I'm hoping. So yeah, this is kind of like the basic setup. So let's hope it all works out, I guess. I'm kind of scared, but hey, I can do this. I've done this before, like once. So, I probably should have done custom. Oh well. Exit. Oh, where did we start it? I want to do custom setup actually. So, alright, so, yep, I want to do custom setup. I don't have any SCSI things, so yeah, should be good. I want to actually create alright, so I want to create How do you... I want to do NTFS. You guys want the formats? So, take a little bit here. It's funny, it takes like forever to format in NT installation. It takes like 2 seconds to format on a... Well, whatever. Anyway. So, I'm going to try to get this to work. I really am going to try. You know, if I don't get this all done in one video, I'll have to make it to a separate video if I do fail. So, we'll see how it goes. Oh, Jesus Christ, it scared the shit out of me. So yeah, there's like 20 discs I have to install. 20 discs. I mean, it's... Yeah, that just shows you how long it'll take me to install this all. Now I'm hoping it'll get through the entire installation with no hiccups and no faults. I'm really hoping that. Or I might have to do something really bad. Alright, yep, disk 5. If it had a CD-ROM, I probably wouldn't have to do that, but it wouldn't let me do that, so... Just 7, right? Just 7, got it. Jesus, we're almost halfway there. Oh, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Almost there. Just 9, right? Yep, just 9. Alright. Moving this from drive A. This is just like disconnected, I guess. So press Control Alt to restart your computer. Alright, here we go. Hang on a minute here. Maybe if I reconnect it? Oh, shit, it's not connecting. It's not restarting. Fuck me. I'm going to have to restart it because something's not working out here. Frickin' goddamn it. Alright. Hang on a minute here. I'm gonna have to make a separate video for this, guys, because this is I forget how to do this. NT 3.1 is really it's one of the hardest OSs I've had to install on VMware. Apparently it's a little bit easier on VirtualBox, but I don't really particularly like VirtualBox because it doesn't support older OSs like VMware does for the compatibility stuff like that. Or just like, you know, like full, if you want to get like, you know, full 3D 32-bit color, you gotta use like generic software and stuff, which I don't particularly like using. So I'll make a separate video for this. I apologize. Hopefully I can get this working, and if I can, I might even just I might try to show you how to get it working, so future people can, you know, do it. So I forget how I did it when I originally installed it. I wanted to copy. I wish I had a chance to copy some of the, at least the VHD for this one, because I just can't remember. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know I couldn't get it, but I'll try again in another video. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great, fantastic weekend.